my viewers all over the world. I remain Salumaj. We still continue with our subject mathematics, and under we'll be talking about metrics. I've talked us introduction to metrics, addition, subtraction of metrics, multiplication of metrics. Today I want to talk about the transpose of metrics. So when I'm talking about transpose simply means the interchange of what they call it, the row. We interchange between the row and the column. All we've been talking about in metrics is what? Row, column, rows, column. So here you are interchanging the row with the column. You can, let's say assuming you have a 2 by 2 matrix. Like the way we have 3, 5, minus 4, 2. Let's say this is a matrix. This is matrix A. I can ask you that what is find A transpose. For me to find the A transpose of this is very simple. It just means interchange this with this because this is what? A 2 by 2 matrix. So it's very easy to find the transpose of a 2 by 2 matrix. So A transpose is written as this: A superscript T. A transpose is equal to 3. This one will come to this place. Why 5 will come here? We have 5 minus 4, 2. So that is the transpose of A. I can have B and what do you call it? I can have I can have 3 by 3. I can have 4 by 3. I can have, but let me do another one, which is what? 3 by 3. Let's say we have another question like this. Let me just do a question that will explain everything. Let's say I have A. Let's say A is equal to 4, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2. Then we have B to be equals to let's say 5 minus 1, 3, 0, 5, 2. So this is matrix A and matrix B. I want to solve this problem. Or let it stand side by side so that you can have an idea. This is matrix A. The matrix B is equal to I want to bring out something. 5, 3, 5 minus 1, 0, 2. So this is the question. Let me rub up this. So I want to solve this matrix. I want to solve this. So if you look at it, first thing I said, you should always check in the what? Check if the matrix is in order. Is it obeying that rule? That rule that says that what? 2 matrices must have the same order. So if you look at this, what is the order of this? Count 1, 2. This is 2 rows by how many columns? 3. You come to this one. This is what? 1, 2, 3. This is 3 rows by 2. 3 rows by 2. You don't say, are they similar? Yes. By the time you bring these two together, you have 2 times 3 times 3 times 2. Come out this. So this 2 by 2, it is what? Similar. So it can be multiplied or it can be added. Or here, what we want to do is to find the transpose. But the question says find or determine. The question is determine A transpose. That's question number 1. Question number 2, B transpose. Then question number 3, let's say product of AB transpose. But the question is transpose. What are we doing? So the question will just say determine AB transpose. Don't be confused. It just means interchange the row with a column. So let's try and attempt whether we can solve this now. So I've been able to justify that this operation can hold. I've determined the orders of these two. So the orders are the same. So for A transpose now, for me to do the A transpose of this, it's very simple. 3 by 2. This is more than 2 by 2. If it were to be 2 by 2, you can just interchange. But here it's more than 2. We have 3. For us to do this, it's just like you holding this matrix and standing it. Let's say it's sleeping. You want to stand it. So if you are standing it, this A transpose will now become, you want to bring this like this. It will now be like this. Let me just take with this. Let's say this is it. This is this line coming up. What will follow it? 5, 2. 5, 2. Follow it. What will follow it? 3, 2. 3, 2. Follow it. What will follow it? 4, 2. So just like that. Very simple. So you can now rub up this and return it to the side. So you can see the way I found the A transpose of this. Just bend it back. Straighten this. This is sleeping. Just erect it. So that is what? The A transpose of this matrix A. The same thing applies to B. To find the B transpose, the same way. Just hold this and slip it. This is already standing. Slip it in this direction, like the way you have done here. In this direction. So slip this one. By the time you slip it, this one will come up. This is the dash up that will guide you. So if this one is now going up, this will be 2, 5, 0, 3, minus 1. So simple. So we now have 2 will be the first. 2, 5. Okay, 2, 5. The way it's going like this. If this one is going, we have 2, 5. We have 2, 5. We have 2, 5. Then we have 0, 3 minus 1. 0, 3. Then we have minus 1, 5. So you can now rub up this. So meaning that if I should fall this back, I'm going to get this. So it's very simple. That's the name of what? The transpose. But the question now says that what? Find A, B transpose. So it means that you first find the product of A and B. Whatever you get as your answer, then the transpose. You can say AB transpose. AB transpose is different from A transpose and the B transpose. It means that you find the product of A and B, then the transpose of your answer. That is the meaning of what you have here. So if you want to solve for that, it's very easy to do that. So just follow it. Very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. So sorry, AB transpose now. So we have A, B transpose is equal to, first find the product of A and B. So what is A? A is what? 4, 3. So you first of all multiply this by this. Don't forget how to do our multiplication in what they call it, the one that we have just taught. So this one and this one. So you have to erect it to be in the same, or better still, just say this by this, this by just, this is one row, this is your row by the column, another row by the column. So simple. So this is first row, row 1. This is row 2. This is column 1. This is column 2. So if I come from with the start with a row 1, then that will be what? 4 times 5. I believe that is very clear. This is 4 times 5. Then I have 3 times 3 plus 3 times 3 plus 5 times 5. 5 times 5. So I've done the first one. So go to the second one, which is what? 4 times minus 1. 4 times minus 1. 3 times 0. Then 5 times 2. 5 times 2. So you close it. Then you go to the second one, which is 2 times, row, column, column. Second row, column, column. So I've done the first row, column, column. So the second one now, 2 times 5. 2 times 5. 2 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 5. So I've done the first one. So go to the second one. We have 2 times minus 1 plus 2 times 0 plus 2 times 2. So simple. So we now have A, B, transpose. This is still AB that we are doing. AB. This is AB. So we now have 4 times 5. That is 20. 20 plus 3 times 3, that's 9. That is 29. 5 times 5, that's 25. Plus 29, that is 64. That's 29 plus 25. That's 54. We have 54. Then you go to the, we have done this one. Come to this one. 4 times minus 1. That's minus 4. Minus 4. 3 times 0, that's 0. 5 times 2, that's 10 plus 10. So that is 6. So this one is 6. Then we have solved this. So go to this. 2 times 5. That is 10. 10 plus 2 times 3. That is 6. That's 16. 16 plus 10. That is 20. 16 plus 10. That's 26. 26. 2 times this. That is minus 2. 2 plus 2 times 0. 0. That's 4. So we have minus 2 plus minus 4. That is what? 4. So we have gotten AB now. The question says AB transpose. So AB transpose is now equal to, if you now look at it, you just interchange this with this. So you're going to have 56. You're going to have, this one will now transpose 6. Then you have 26, and we have 4. So that's all about transpose, and you're good to go. Just follow what I've. Now, if you didn't get it, go over the video again, first time, second time, third time. I said watch the video for like 5 times. You are going to get all the hidden explanations there. Thank you for watching my channel. I remain so grateful to you guys for encouraging me. If you are watching and you have not subscribed, please do so. If you are in any of the secondary school, share it with other students. Let them also get a very good benefit of this. God bless you. Thank you very much. Later.